In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw in Google Docs. First of all, you open up Google Docs in your web browser. Then you open the documents you want to draw on. You click on the Insert tab at the top of the screen. You select the Drawings option and you choose New. You can now input whatever type of drawing you want. It could be a shape, a line. You select the line. It could be a line, an arrow, an elbow connector, a curve drawing, or scribble. Let's select a scribble here. So you can draw whatever shape you want to here, and many more. You could also insert shapes in your drawing. It could be the normal shapes, it could be arrows, it could be curved arrows, it could be equations. So let's try fixing a shape here. Let's use this. So this is the heart shape. Let's try fixing a arrow. So whatever drawing you want to input, this is how you do it. Once you're done with your drawing, you click on the Save and Close button at the top here. Now you can see that your drawings appears in your document. So guys, that is how you draw in Google Docs. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more tips. Bye guys.